So let's look at two more vectors. So now I've got two vectors in component form. Vector v is in chevrons, -3, -4. And we went ahead and took tan inverse of -4 over -3, and you should have gotten 53 degrees, which again, the calculator assumes that we are talking about an angle in the first quadrant, that direction angle of 53 degrees. Well, that's not the angle that I want because I know that this vector is pointing in quadrant 3 because it went 3 units to the left and 4 units down. So how are we going to get the real direction angle? We need to add 180 degrees to get from 53 degrees to the third quadrant, and that is 233 degrees is the direction angle. Now for the bearing, the navigational bearing. Let's think about what we did. From the north, heading clockwise, we've gone 90 degrees, 180 degrees, plus a little bit right here. Well, we didn't go 53 degrees more because this is our reference angle of 53 degrees. So a couple things we can do. We can say, well, you know what? We are 53 degrees shy of 270 degrees true north. So 270 minus 53 is 217 degree bearing. Or you can say, well, 90 minus 53, this angle in here is actually 37 degrees. So we went 180 degrees plus 37 degrees, which is also 217 degrees. So the navigational bearing, or the true bearing, is 217 degrees. All right, in example D, we now have an angle, a vector that went 3 units to the right and 4 units down. And our calculator, when we did tan inverse of -4 over 3, gave us -53 degrees. Well, that absolutely is the direction angle because we have a vector that is heading in quadrant 4. I am okay with you giving me -53 degrees. If you don't like having a negative angle, add 360 degrees to it to get the positive version of that angle. -53 plus 360 is 307 degrees. So the direction angle is 307 degrees, or -53 degrees. Either one I'm okay with. Now for the navigational bearing. So from north, we are heading in the clockwise position. We went 90 degrees plus a reference angle of 53 degrees more. So that is 90 plus 53 degrees, which is 143 degrees bearing, navigational bearing.